Hello everyone, welcome to the Galaxy Gardens. Our team has been making steady progress across all the towers in the construction and I am excited to share the details with you. First of all, Tower A. Finally, the RCC work has been started, making it a significant step forward in our construction journey. Tower B and CMA, 70% of the masonry work has been completed and 50% of outer plaster has also been completed. In Tower D, 50% of masonry work has been completed. જ્યારે Tower E માં 60% has been completed. Tower F, જે અમારો સૌથી એડવાન્સ ટાવર છે, એમાં અમે 80% of masonry work complete કર્યું છે. While the most exciting news over here, અમે અમારું Podium Garden Slab on the ground floor fully cast કરી લીધું છે. Our commitment to quality and timely execution remains strong and અમે ensure કરીએ છીએ that every step we take forward brings us closer to a world-class living experience from conception to reality. Stay connected for more updates and we look forward to welcoming you soon.